In this video, we will learn how to find the GP series using the data given in the question. Now, here find the GP whose 5th and 8th terms are 80 and 640 respectively. Right? Now, what you have to understand that in order to frame a GP, the common ratio should be same. So you can have GP series as A, AR and AR square, AR cube, right? This can be the GP series. Fine, we have to actually calculate this series. So what we will do is, we will use the data that is given in the question. Now T5 is given how much? 5th and 8th terms are 80 and also 8th term, that is T8, is given how much? 640, right? Now T5 we know that is equal to A raised to 4, right? Because Tn we know is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. So if we have T3 here, it will be AR 3 minus 1, that is 2. So T3 will be AR square. Similarly, T4 will be AR cube. T5 will be AR4. That's how AR4 equal to 80. Here, T7 will be AR7 equal to 640. Now, in order to calculate this series, or in order to find the series, we need A and R. Now, we don't have A and R. What we will do is, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. If I divide second equation by first, what will I get? AR raised to 7 is equal to 640. If I am dividing it by the first equation, this will become 80. A and A will go. This and this will go. I'm left with 3 R's here. This and this, 8 8's are. So I got R cube equal to 8. So R cube is equal to 2 cube. Cube and cube will go. So you have R as 2. Now you have calculated R. Now you can calculate A also. Let's substitute the value of R in this equation. So A into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 80. So my A is equal to 80 upon 16. Right? 16 5's are 80. So I got A as 5. Now I have R, I have A. I can calculate or frame the series. I can find the GP series. How? What is my A? First number is 5. Second is A into R. That is 5 into 2. That is 10. Third is AR square. R square is 4. 4 5's are 20. AR cube. R cube is 8. 8 into 5's are 40. Right? That's how you find the GP when the data is given in the question. Now, he's saying that the 4th term of the GP is 16. So T4, he has given 16, right? Does that mean AR cube is equal to 16? Let this be my first equation. And 7th term is 128. So T7 is 128. Does that mean AR6 is equal to 128? So this is my second equation. Now he wants me to find the first term, that is A, and the common ratio of the series. It's like the previous question wherein we had to find the GP series. So for that we found A and R first. How we do that? We divide the bigger equation by where the R is having the higher value. We keep it under the equation where the R is having the bigger value. So we will divide second equation by first equation. So let me write the second equation, which is 128 divided by AR cube is equal to 16. So what will happen here? A, you will get rid of this A and A. So R cube and R cube. So you will have 3 here. So then 16 8's are. So you got R cube is equal to 8. That means your R is 2. So you have found R. Now you have to find A. You will go back to this equation. So A into r cube is 2 whole cube equal to 16. So A into 8 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 divided by 8. So your A is equal to 2. So you have found R and A. That's how you make use of the data given in the question, and usually in GP you divide these equations to find the value of R and A. One more of this type. Find the GP. Now we have to find the series. What does that mean? A, AR, AR square, AR cube. For that we need A and R, right? Find the GP whose 4th and 7th terms are given. So T4 is given to me. How much is that? 1 upon 18. Does that mean AR cube is equal to 1 upon 18? This is my first equation. And also T7 is given how much? Minus 1 upon 486. Does that mean T6 is equal to minus 1, 486? In place of T6, I can write AR5 is equal to minus 1 upon 486. Now, I need R and A. So, I know now how to get R and A. This is my second equation. I will divide this equation by first equation. So, what will I get? AR5 divided by AR cube is equal to minus 1486 divided by 1 by 80. Here A and A will go. This and this will go. I am left with R square. So R square is equal to minus 1 by 486 into 18 upon 1. So 18 27s are. Okay. Oh, this was T7. Oh, this was T7. So this is T6, AR6. So this is AR6. So this is 3. So this is R cube. Now, you got R cube equal to minus 1 by 27. So your R will be minus 1 by 3. You got R. Now you can calculate A. Substitute in this equation. What will you get as A? A into 1 upon minus 3 whole cube is equal to 1 upon 18. So A into 1 upon minus 27 equal to 1 upon 18. So A is equal to minus 27 upon 18. So 9 3s are 9 2s are. So you got A as minus 3 by 2. This is the value for your A. Now using the value of A and R, now we can calculate the series, GP series. So first is A. What is my A? Minus 3 by 2. Second is A into R. So A is minus 3 by 2 and R is minus 1 by 3. This and this will go, minus and minus will become plus. So 1 by 2. So your second term is 1 by 2 in this series. Third is A R square. So what is your A? Minus 3 by 2. R square becomes 1 by 9. Right? So 3 3s are. Minus will remain. So your third term will be minus 1 by 2 3s are 6. Right? So this is your series.